Morning, everybody. We're up north again today. I'm in the MX240 with the Kilbros grain cart. Yesterday, the hired man and Grandpa moved on to the last bean field for 2021. It's some of the CRP ground that we had. There was a video where I was mowing hay, I believe raking hay too. There was never a planting video there because I think I was mowing hay when he planted that. But this is the first year it's had crop on it, so we're going to see how it does. They started on it yesterday, but I think we still got about 30-something acres left on it, so this is the last bean harvest video of 2021, so on the corn after this. Probably going to start corn Friday, meets tomorrow's Thanksgiving, you know. Not a good idea to work on Thanksgiving. Not a good idea at all, but Friday corn harvest will start no matter what, so hope y'all enjoy the last bean harvest video of 2021.
Yep. Yeah, then he took, either way he could have took his transmission with him and then he would have had his core charged. We got some good cutting up here somewhere. I'll let you run.
So you're looking at this field and wondering why there's random spots where there are no beans. Well, this bottom here, it was difficult to plant. The rye, which you can kind of tell, rye and the grass, it was so thick you could not get a planter through it, and tried to run the field cultivator over some of it, and all it did was drag up underneath. So I was mowing hay at the time, I was mowing hay at the time, and Grandpa decided he's going to try to burn this. It would not burn because it rained a few days before and it greened up, wouldn't burn, so he just planted through it the best he could. That and water stands real bad in this bottom if we get the right amount of rain, which bottom fields are that way almost anywhere. So not the best crop year for this part down here. Up on that hill over there, great stand of beans. Best stand of beans on this farm we've seen. Up there's cut. The hired man's up there. There was a little patch that didn't get cut. He's cleaning it up. He should be getting close to being done with it. And he's going to head down here and they're going to clean this up. Get them both running up there, then we'll get this field done. We're planning on just the headers. We're going to put them on the carts. We'll probably just leave them out here in the field because back at the farm where everything's going to be at, there's not a lot of room right now. There's a cornfield around that and it still needs to be shelled. We're going to get to that Friday, but after we get done with this, since tomorrow's Thanksgiving, we'll decide we'll get the combines and the semis moved back over to the farm and we'll call it a day. Kind of rest the rest of this day and Thanksgiving tomorrow and back at it again Friday, so we'll see what happens. Well, folks, soybean harvest 2021 is officially over with. This is Grandpa in the two-wheel drive 2188. The hired man right behind me with the other 2188. They're gonna dump the rest of their beans on this trailer. The way it's looking, it will fill the rest of it. So I'd say we did pretty good getting one trailer load off that bottom. So that's good. We're gonna, as I said earlier, well, you can hardly see them, but there's two head carts over there. Gotta put the heads on them, pull them up on the flat here somewhere and leave them. Then while the hired man takes the semi off of town, me and Grandpa are getting the combines moved. So I guess we'll see what happens now. Ooh, there were some dirty beans.